Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Aflatoon chicken. Let's start. Add 1 spoon of ginger paste in chicken. Add tender. Add red food color. Add Schezwan chutney 2 spoon. Now add red chilli powder 1 spoon. Add Tandoori masala half spoon. Add tomato ketchup. Now mix it well and put it aside for 5 hours. Now take a foil and add chicken pieces on it. Now add capsicum pieces to it. Now add cheese. Now fold it like Aflatoon shape. Please like, share, subscribe and comment on my channel.